Okay guys, so here's what I have ordered and received today. So I bought two different versions of Dolphin's clock, dashboard clock. I guess one is from Wagana, the previous model. Another one I have left the box in my car, so I won't really be telling you exact which car that belongs to. So let's do a comparison video with the original clock that we have on our car. It goes like this. So here you have settings for hour and minute. Same goes for all three. Now the most important part, what you'll have to modify in the dashboard to accommodate these clocks. So compared to the original one, you have to clip at least half an inch more across to fit this one, the version 1. Let's call this one as version 1. It's very much similar to the one that we have, although the dimension is kind of like 1.5 times as big. Coming to the width, you will have to cut approximately a quarter of an inch from top to bottom to accommodate this one. Now let's take a look at version 2. Compared to the version 1, it's a bit slimmer, but that's not much of an advantage because we have sufficient space behind the clock, and you can see it from here. So to accommodate this one, that's the version 2 clock, you will have to cut across, I guess, a quarter of an inch or maybe slightly more than that, and the length has to be cut by nearly half an inch in this case also. So that's a basic dimension, and in case if you are not a purist, you may go for that kind of modification into the dashboard. Although what I would be doing is like I would try to modify these clock and try to take out the mechanism and install that into this housing. Let's see how it happens and if that even is possible or not. But that's what I'm planning to do, because I don't really intend to damage my dashboard. So that's about it. Also, I won't really be keeping it loose somewhere in the car because that would be something looking like an aftermarket thing. Otherwise, the units are pretty robust and you have a solid feel about it. These both are good. So in case if you are not really someone who is too much perturbed with the actual appearance of the dashboard, you may go with either of it. I guess this one is more close to it. The watch's dimension is very much similar, not same. Similar is the word that I should be using very carefully. Let me actually, the cable is making it difficult to handle both of it. I guess we can fit this one, this clock, the version 2, into this housing. Maybe a bit of the top portion will be the lettering will be gone, but this one is a bit bigger, and accommodating this one, this LCD into this one would be, I guess, a bit difficult. So that's my take. I hope this short video enlightened you guys about the Dolphin replacement clock that's available in the market. It's really a good one, I must say, because it's available, first of all, and second, fitting is also not really that difficult. You simply have to connect it directly to the battery. So that would be all. It comes with instruction manual too. I have it, and here it is. I guess it's bill or instruction manual, I'm not really able to recall. Let me see. Okay, so it's something like this. It reads like this. So that would be all, guys. Let's see what we are going to do. Till the next time, stay tuned. Have a great day ahead.